Hi Sagittarians, welcome to your October 16 to 31st reading. Please remember that this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. But first, happy Navratris and happy Durga Puja for all you people joining me from India, and for all those of you who are joining me from different parts of the world. Please look up Shardiya Navratri, which happens during this time of the year, and we invoke Goddess Durga and seek her blessings and love, light, abundance into our life. So I am wishing and starting your reading with this beautiful energy. And I hope Goddess Durga blesses each one of you with so much abundance and success in your life. So the overall energy for your reading is Ace of Cups, Sagittarians. We have Death. We have the card of Knight of Pentacles. Okay. And we have the card of Four of Swords. I feel like Sagittarians, something has come to an end. Probably this is a relationship you have been thinking about ending, or a situation that you've been thinking about ending, but this has come to an end and you're now slowly walking towards healing. We have the card of Nine of Wands. Probably you were hurt in this situation a lot, and yeah, you had to take a stand. I also have the fire energy, your Aries, Sagittarius, Leo in your reading, and I feel like you had to arrive at a decision. This Some of you could be having a difficult time in a relationship, probably in marriage or with a spouse. Some of you could be having a difficult time revealing your feelings to someone also. Yeah. With the Ten of Swords, I feel like you want to end this time of difficulty. You're just waiting for things to come to an end. That you actually want the difficulty to end. You don't want the relationship to end, is what I feel. With the Ace of Pentacles, you definitely want a new beginnings. You want things to start from, newer perspectives, newer horizons. And with the Seven of Swords, I feel like you're going to work towards that, Sagittarians. But for some of you Sagittarians, I definitely feel that it's an end to a relationship or a situation. With the Ten of Cups, you are definitely looking to start on a newer, better, solid, more stronger, or a stronger foundation, and move towards the Ten of Cups phase in your life. This talks to me about more stable family time. Yes, with the Nine of Pentacles, you're leaving what happened in the past behind, and you want to work towards future. Or this could be you, this could be a person as well. Let me draw you some more cards and see what else we're getting in your reading. So this card just flew out. There are possibilities. I feel like Sagittarians, you are looking at all the possibilities that are available to you, or you're observing the situation from a distance, and that's how you're trying to heal yourself by not participating in this, and looking at all the possibilities you have for yourself in this situation. And then you're going to look at what did not work for you, work on that, and start this situation on newer grounds. I have adventure. You're definitely looking to go forward and try something new. I also have the card of turning in. So when I say that you're healing, you're going to move away from this situation for a while and hope that everything works for you. You have the card of turning in. A lot of you could be taken to meditation. A lot of you could be seeking healing from other sources. This could be other healers coming in to help you, or this could be I see a lot of your ancestors coming in to give you divine guidances. And I feel like a lot of you Sagittarians could be hearing these voices in your head, or feeling like you've just met someone who's departed and come back in your from in your sleep. You could be remembering or seeing visions very, very carefully, like movie scene playing in your mind. I also have you're experiencing this phase in your life where you are growing emotionally, and your relationships are going to grow after that. We have the card of creativity. You're definitely going to use a lot of this creative talent, this knowledge that is coming to you from the other side, your departed loved ones, your spirit guides and angels, and you're going to use this creative guidance, because this is not something that you have worked on in the past. This is not a pattern, this is not something that you're used to drawing experiences from. So you are going to work in a new direction with new ideas. I have consciousness. Your consciousness is definitely elevating here, Sagittarians. You are growing. You are not the same Sagittarians that you saw yourself going with the flow, and you are definitely going with the flow. When I say that you're healing, you're turning inwards, you're meditating. A lot of you have become far more spiritual than you were in the past, and that's because your consciousness is growing here, Sagittarians. And with the card of transformation, beautiful cards here, Sagittarians. And I feel like your readings are going to get more and more interesting. And I feel like this turning in, that's bringing about the positivity and healing inside of you. That's making you grow from point 1 to point 9, maybe. That's like a rapid growth. And that's going to show itself in the form of relationships, in the way you handle situations, in the way you come out and interact with those around you, and with them in the matters of business, opportunities, growth. You're going to feel a lot more secure about yourself and your independent decisions, because this is transformation here, Sagittarians. You guys have grown so much. Sharing, and when you feel a lot more. I also feel like I got the hermit energy in one of your readings in the past, so you can go back and look at Sagittarian readings in your on my channel. Probably that was all signs, or your individual reading, I can't say for sure, but it was there. And you're going to be sharing these gifts with the of knowledge, or this growth that you're just realizing. This realization is going to be shared with other people. Amazing. This harmony, the card of harmony, you're experiencing within yourself, and those around you are going to feel it around you too. You have grown so much, Sagittarians. Rebirth, oh my god. So within the next 15 days of October, if this was something you have been going through already, and I feel like you have been going through this energy in the month of October, where you had to go in and look for answers there, you've had a rebirth here now, Sagittarians, and towards the end of this month of October, you're going to feel so much more powerful, because now you're not looking for validation or seeking answers outside. You know everything is there inside, and it's coming out from within you. You have the energy of traveling. I feel a lot of you Sagittarians could be thinking about traveling, meeting new people, or you're just feeling ready and gearing up to go out into the world. I also have the card of courage. This courage is showing up for you. You've outgrown a lot from the past, and this courage is showing up for you. I have the card of awareness too. Some very powerful cards I have here. So I have the numbers 2, 7, 8, 8, 3, 4. So this is 2, 3, 3, 4, 7, 8, 8. So we have 2 sevens and 2 threes. So 3 is the number of creativity, and 7 is the number of those looking or who have set out on the path of spirituality. You are growing creatively in your path of spirituality here, Sagittarians. So much growth. Postponement. What is this postponement about, Spirit? Abundance. I feel like something that was postponed or did not show up for you, did not look very clear for you in the past, is now going to look up for you. Abundance is meant for you. It's come. It's here. Yeah. So whatever you were putting off in the past, probably trying to arrive at a decision later, not taking a decision right now, or you didn't know if that was going to happen in your favor, or if you were capable enough to pull something on your own, you are doing that with the Page of Wands energy. You're walking out of this position of stagnation, point of stagnation. You're walking towards abundance, because all that you have gained in the past has come to you from this divine source, pouring in this blissful energy inside of you. You going inside, showing that willingness to go inside, learn from that positivity that's been sent inside of you, and you growing from there. That's a rebirth. That's a rebirth for you, Sagittarians. That's so strong. And I think I'm going to use this as your tagline. That's what I have for you, Sagittarians, for now. Do remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. To comment and let me know how you feel about this reading. I am feeling so much positivity here. This is pure growth, guys. Starting from the point of death, reaching the card of rebirth. Do you see? This is where you were when you started this 15 days of October. This is where you are. Rebirth. Two very, very powerful cards in your reading. So that's what I have for you for now. And stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy. Happy Navratris once again. Happy Durga Puja and Namaste.